Hey everybody, Kenny with Outdoor Home. Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show. Today's recipe is a smoked salmon that we're smoking on the Big Green Egg. So let's talk about how we have that set up first. The Big Green Egg is a grill, a smoker, and an oven. Today I've got it set up as a smoker, 250 degrees. It's all preheated and warm, ready to go. And then I threw in a chunk of cedar wood to get the smoke flavor that I'm going for with this smoked recipe. So let's go ahead and make our salmon. Got a fresh Atlantic salmon fillet here. Just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. So we've got something for our rub to stick to. And you can put some on the back side as well to help keep it from sticking to the grates. Just like so. Today on the fish is Raging River from Dizzy Pig Barbecue. We've sold this in our retail store in Nixa for years. One nice thing about this too, you notice it says sample on here. We do offer samples on every single seasoning that we sell, so you can try it before you buy it. We have over 100 to choose from. The other option you have, if you want to try some just for a recipe, you want to have enough just for a recipe, we'll sell you just a couple ounces so that you could go home and try this without committing to buying the seasoning itself. But this is my favorite stuff, does absolute wonders on a salmon. So we're going to season this, and you want quite a bit on here. We're only going to season this side. We have skin on the other side, so we're going to leave that alone. I like to kind of pat it, make sure it's going to make a beautiful crust on the finished product. Okay, now we're ready to go on to the Big Green Egg. Okay, so it's been a couple hours. We're going to take a look at the finished product here. Salmon is done when it's anything above 140 degrees. So I just checked that, we're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. And I'm going to let that rest right here on the platter. Okay, now we're going to make our lemon caper sauce. So I'm going to start with mayonnaise, sour cream. We're going to add capers. You want to make sure that you get the non-peril capers, and it's about a half a jar. Lemon juice and fresh dill. And then I'm going to stir this all together. That's all blended together. Now we're ready to eat. The way this works, you just take the salmon, you can just use a fork, and the salmon will kind of flake off here. The skin stays on the plate. You put some of the salmon on a cracker. This works great as an appetizer. Another trick you can do on this, you can let it chill overnight. It's actually really good cold as well. It's already been smoked and cooked. And then just put a little dollop of that on there, and you're ready to go. You can find today's recipe at ky3.com, or you can stop by the store for a printed copy.